Over the past 5 years, I've created thousands of winning videos for e-commerce businesses in every single industry you can think of, from skincare to fashion to leather products to pet products. Every single industry we've touched as a team over the past 5 years, we've been able to replicate success because of one video ad structure that we keep on using and using and using, and it keeps on printing and printing and printing. Now, in today's video, I want to share with you the exact structure from the first second to the last that'll show you exactly how we engineer our video ads for maximum success. Now, let's get straight into it. All right, so whenever you talk about video ads, you really need to understand that it's only a format, right? It's only a format in which you transfer a message, okay? So whenever you want to dissect a winning creative, a winning video ad, you will always find a clear structure that has intention and that is clearly engineered in a way to transfer the message and the conviction to the customer. Now, in this video, like I said, I'm going to break down the exact strategy. So it all starts with the big, bold promise. That's what, as advertiser, we call the hook. Okay, so the purpose of the hook is very simple. It's to grab the customer, the scroller, by the neck and actually interrupt the pattern in which they are, which is scrolling. Okay, so you want to grab the attention instantly, and you want to do it in a way that feels organic, right? You don't want your content to kind of stick out as an obvious ad. You want to do it in an organic way, and that's how you can hack the scroller themselves into thinking that this is just an organic post and they can keep on watching. Okay, so here what you want to do is you want to lead with a transformation, or you want to lead with a pain point solved by the product. Okay, now next section is where you start building the retention. Okay, now you've interrupted the pattern, you need to keep them hooked to watch the entire ad, right? That's how you do it with step number 2, which is the relatable pain or problem. And this is where you make the customer feel like this is for them. Like you want to create a this is for me moment in their minds. Okay, so here what we want to do, we want to call out the frustration or the problem in a raw human way. It's very, very simple. Okay, so after that, what you want to do is you want to introduce a persona to make it more relatable. Okay, so you want to introduce the person behind the product or someone that has been using the product successfully, so that your potential customers feel as though there's a real human being there. And relatability depends on the human factor, because we as humans relate to people, right? And so here you want to have a founder story. You want to have some kind of UGC creator that is using the product or is speaking about their use of the product, or some kind of story that ties it back to a human. Okay, so that's the introduction of the hero, as we call it. Next, what we want to have is emotional amplification. So now you've hooked the customer, you've retained them. Now you want to start stirring the emotion. Think of it as the seabed. You know, when you have sand in the seabed, it's kind of peaceful and flat, and then you've got a human starting to walk in the water. Now it becomes all blurry and all mixed up, right? That's exactly how you want to look at emotional amplification. Okay, so here we want to dig deeper into the pain point. We want to show them exactly what it costs them socially, romantically, financially, not solving that problem that we're talking about, and we want to paint that picture. Okay, so that then the next section is really just the introduction of the new mechanism or the new way of doing things, right? So now we stir the emotions. It's a lot of negativity, a lot of anxiety. And now we basically deliver the uppercut, which is the discovery of the new way of doing things, okay? So here, think about like showing them what the secret sauce is. You're sharing the secret sauce with your customer. It's an intimate conversation, right? You've showed them how, not good their situation is, because it's costing them X, Y, Z. And now you're transitioning where you're introducing the actual new mechanism that is going to just get rid of that stuff, right? And so after that, once you've introduced the mechanism, after amplifying the emotion, now you can introduce the product. Why? Because now your product appears to be the logical solution to an emotional problem. And humans, what happens to us is we always buy and make decisions based on emotions, and then we justify with logic. So if we can make them accept the idea that their current situation is, associated with a lot of negative emotions, what happens then is when we introduce our product, we've primed our customers or our potential customers to think that our product is now the actual solution to that problem, right? And it makes that bridge very, very easy to cross. Okay, so here you basically introduce the product. Next, what we want to do is we want to introduce the benefits. So we want to do a very rapid benefits rundown, which is basically just focusing on the outcomes that your customer will be able to achieve. And last piece of advice is always make them about how they feel or how they will feel, right? It always has to tie to the emotion, right? Don't make them like logical and very sciencey kind of benefits. We want them to be felt. Like I want to read them and I want to be able to imagine how it's going to feel when I achieve those benefits, right? That's how we want to do things. And then if you want to do it smart, you want to stack proof. As seen if you've been published on very prestigious occasions, if you won awards, if you have thousands of customers, if you have success stories, if you've got before and after footage, anything you can show them to stack proof and credibility is going to do wonders for you, because now it's just like it's in your face and you can't debate it, right? We've stirred up an emotional problem, we've solved it with a logical solution, which is the product, and now we're showing proof that it works. So it's like a 1, 2, 3 combo where they just can't counter it, right? And then after that, if you want to do an even better job, you want to add a risk reversal, which is just some kind of risk reversal mechanism. It could be a money back guarantee, easy returns, some kind of free support, some kind of free benefit that they're getting that just decreases the risk for them. Okay, and then you want to end up with the call to action, and that's pretty much it. That's the structure for the video ads. Now this is how we do it with AI as well. Now when it comes to AI, so you want to plug the script that is going to be in the description, click on it, it's going to be free of access. Just plug it into your favorite AI tool. What happens then is you're going to get a script based on your product description. You want to paste that script into your favorite AI UGC tool. It could be HeyGen, it could be Creatify, it could be Arcades, it could be a lot of different tools. Choose your avatar that makes sense for you. Add some B-roll. Okay, so we can add some B-roll in some of these tools, and then now you have a video that is ready to scale. And the more you test, the more you're going to be able to create videos that look like this one here, as you can see on screen, which has shown a lot of traction on Meta. And you can see that we've used this structure as is. So this structure works. Ladies and gentlemen, you use it for your brand, you use it for your business. Make sure to capitalize on video ads because they are absolutely printing. Hope you got some value. Again, if you don't know me, my name is Omar Eddaoudi. I'm the founder at Growth Labs. We've been helping 6, 7, and 8-figure companies in the e-commerce space scale, maintain that scale, and obviously extract as many profits as possible for the past 5 years. We're really good at it. If you are here for the free value, just make sure to subscribe, leave me a comment, and let me know what type of content you'd like to see. If you're here to scale your business and you want a done-for-you solution, a growth partner that will help you unlock the scale in your business, then click on the link in the description, book a call with myself. We'll help you set up a roadmap for your business so you can capitalize on the most cutting-edge e-commerce systems in your business and see your revenue levels soar. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.